guys, it's Elali and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your own keychain. So let's get started. So the keychain I'm going to show you how to do is your favorite snacks. So it could be either chips or candy or anything. So the supplies that you're going to need for this activity are tweezers, jump rings, scissors, a hole puncher, a key ring or a chain, a cotton ball, which is optional just to give it volume, and your favorite chips or candy printed out, and some tape. So you are going to need the front and the back of your candy / chip bag. So you're going to need the front and the back. And you could do it any size you want. I'm just doing it little. And your favorite candy. So the first thing I'm going to do is the candy. So I'm doing this candy. And you can take off the wrapper. And you can fold it up. So then you're going to use the hole puncher. You're going to do a hole wherever you want. So I'm going to do it right here. There we go. So now there's a hole, as you can see. And you're going to take your tweezers. Also, I forgot to mention that you need to tape the top of it and the bottom so it stays in place when you fold it. And you're going to take your jump rings. You're going to take any size you want. So make sure to get at least 3 of them to make it long enough. So then you're going to open them up. Make sure you have an adult to help you with using the tweezers. So you are going to keep adding your jump rings to your other jump rings so it becomes like a chain. And then you're going to take your actual key ring and you're going to open it up. And you are done with your keychain. So this is how the candy one, at least my candy one, turned out. So now we're going to do the chip bag. So this might be a little bit harder, but it still doesn't take as much time as usually it takes time. So with this one, you're going to take the front part of it and you're going to take a piece of tape. I'm going to put it on top of the bag or your paper. So like this. And then you're going to flip it around. And you do need the back of it because then you're going to have a blank white back and you don't want that. So you're going to put the back of it and make sure it's the right size and the right way. And then you're going to fold the bottom. So like this. And then you're going to fold a little bit of the sides. You can always cut the excess if you want to. And then you can add some cotton inside of it just so it looks like there's actual chips inside. But I'm not going to do that. All you need to do is just take a little piece of it and then make sure it doesn't get stuck into the tape, and you open it up and then you put it inside. But I'm not doing that. So then you're gonna flip it over like this. So like that. Really easy. And then you could use scissors. Make sure you have an adult. And you're going to poke a hole through it. So there you go. Okay, so now I made the hole. Now we're going to get our jump rings again. Okay, let's move this aside. Now you get your tweezers again. Open them up and put in your hole. And then you close it up. And then you get your other jump ring. And you do a chain. And for this one, you can also put another jump ring and put a key ring. But for this one, I'm going to put a chain. So you can also put a chain, not just a key ring. Then you put it in. And then you close it up. Okay, so I finally got it in, and this is the final result. So this is the front and the back. And if you have a bigger like size of bag, you could use the hole puncher, which I use the hole puncher with this one. And it might take a little bit of the words, but it still turned out good. So this is the final one. So it doesn't take too much time. It takes like 10 minutes maybe. Not that much time, but it's really worth it. You could put it on your backpack or on your bag or your keys or anything. So I think this is a really fun activity and it's worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time. Bye!